Okay, so this is how I show you the ideal posture for lashing. It can take a bit of adjusting as well if you're not used to it, and there will be some pain in the beginning. So ideally, you want to have a low chair and a high table. If you have the opposite and you're hunching over, like Joy is going to show you, like this, you're going to have really sore neck, shoulders, and back. So there's Joy sitting up too high. Her head's going to be way over her client. She's going to have really bad neck issues. She's not sitting close enough to her client either. And maybe about half an hour into her day, or even 15 minutes into her day, she's going to start getting really sore again. So ideally you want to sit down nice and low, have your client right up against your chest. Sounds terrible, but it's the truth. You're basically almost motorboating them with your boobs. Sorry, guys at the back, you can't be lash stylists. But it's just the truth. They have to be right up against your chest, otherwise they're too far away. So if your client lies down, just be honest with her. Wriggle back, keep wriggling back. Keep moving, keep moving, more. You have to tell them. So early on, I used to be too shy, and I don't want to annoy my clients. Oh, okay, if they want to sit 20 centimeters away from me, that's okay. I'll just apply like this for the next 2 hours, and then I'll be in agony. Please, someone give me a massage when I get home. Just be honest, because you'll be able to apply lashes faster, closer to the lid without accidentally going halfway down the lash if you can't see the base well enough. So you just want your head tilted down slightly. We don't want to be down like this. The more you have your head over, the more strain it's going to put on your neck. When your neck and shoulders get tight, did you know that can affect your eyesight? So you may not be able to see as well as what you should be able to. So try to avoid using a massage table that doesn't have those corners in it. If it doesn't have the corners, you won't have anywhere to rest your elbow. Also, you're going to be dropping your tweezers all the time by accident because they'll be rolling off your pillow. Okay, so here's the correct posture. I've got my anchor points, my elbows on the bed. I've got a nice straight back, sitting nice and low, nice straight back, and a high bed.